Hi, this is Jim with Deck Drain Janitor. Today we're going to show you start to finish how to install and flush out some deck drains. So we're at a home here that has a straight deck drain that goes from one side of the patio all the way to the other. Fairly simple installation. In this situation we've got two concrete columns, and so in this case it makes sense to install the deck drain janitors behind the columns. They're inconspicuous, they're out of sight, there's no risk of anybody stepping on them, breaking them, tripping on them. So we've installed one already. We're going to install the second one and then flush them. And it's to give you an idea of how simple it is to install. We've got some tape on our template, and we're going to place the template in behind the wall, the column, and we're going to center it between these two slots here. We want to give material for the deck drain janitor to bite onto, and we center it side to side as well. So we tape it in place, grab our Sharpie, trace the template. Oops. It's okay if you go a little out of line, it's going to be covered up anyway. So draw some nice square corners. And that's it. Remove the template. Next step is to grab the Dremel tool. Always wear safety glasses and follow just follow the mark itself. You can take off the mark completely if you like. And once you do that, you remove all the parts out of your deck drain. You don't want those stuck in there. If your fingers aren't long enough, you can use a pair of needle nose pliers, and that'll do it. Next, you want to make sure it fits. Slide it on, lift it slightly in the middle, push it down. Perfect fit first time. Now we have to get it off to flush the drains out. So slide your finger under it, lift up one side, slide it out on the other side. Gotta move the electric appliances. And now we'll show you how to flush them out. Alright, so easy process. Just insert the hose into the deck drain and start to slide it down. You can see the water and the dirt popping up. Now in this case we're getting hung up on the joint there in the middle. And so we twisted the hose and spun it while we were pushing, and we just got that. And that's a little trick on how to get all the way through and get past the joint. Alright. That one's just about cleaned up, so we're going to come back this way. And obviously it takes time for the water to drain out because these drains haven't been cleaned before very well. And now we're going the other direction from here. And you can see a little more dirt coming up on this one. And again, we're hitting this joint right here where the two pieces come together. So we're just spinning the hose as we're pushing it and bouncing it back and forth, and we just got past that joint. pull the hose out. Come up to this part. Need a key or something to pop it out. Usually a screwdriver works good, but I didn't come prepared for that. Pop this out. Put your hose in. And start flushing. Again, we're at a joint here where two sections were together. We're hitting that hose. We have to spin it and push at the same time. We got past it. All the way to the end now. And you can see all the dirty water flowing out of the end of the deck drain. Takes 3 or 4 times of doing this to get the drains cleaned out really well. And that's all there is to maintaining your drains once you've installed the deck drain janitors. Come on back and I'm going to put them in. Then once you're done and flushing them all out, you hook one side on your deck drain, wiggle it a little to slide it in place, raise it in the middle, release it. Same thing with the next one. Slide one side on, lift it slightly in the middle, release it, and we're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Have a great day.